Hello everyone, a very warm and enthusiastic welcome to all the curious minds out there. Let's just step into a world of endless possibilities in Excel and G-Sheet. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how we can apply two VLOOKUPs together over two different data sets to get our desired result. It could be on a same spreadsheet like this one or on a different. The process would be similar for the both. Here, we have two tables. Table 1 has email IDs along with their employee's name, and table 2 here has employer's ID along with their email ID. Now we have been asked to look for email IDs and get the employee's name, for which there is no direct table in which we can look into, right? So here comes the role of VLOOKUP application. Is equal to VLOOKUP lookup value. Lookup value would be the employee's ID, like in this column A. Yup. Then we have been asked to put table array. Table array would be the data set where we have our lookup value in the first column. Column number would be 2 here as it has our result right. Now we have got our email IDs. Now on this we will apply our next VLOOKUP. Why we are doing all of this process is like VLOOKUP only works when the first column of the table or data set has the lookup value. Closing the brackets. And yeah, here we got our results, right? Now what we are going to do is we will freeze the table by putting up a $sign. You can do so by using F4. And now drag and copy the formula over the other cells, and voila, it is done and dusted. Easy peasy, right? That's all for this video. I hope it would be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Bye bye. Take care.